I've been up very early this morning because I've been doing some body work on my car. It's nearly finished now. Anyway, I bought a new coil yesterday, put it on, put $20 worth of fuel in it, which was about a cup full, and let's see if it starts. So, that doesn't sound good, does it? I wonder what that is. Something at the front. Anyway, one of the most important things is, because this has been stood in the old damp for 4 years and has the clutch stuck. Now this is real time because I don't know. I know there's clutch pedal because we fixed that. But I'm going to try and move it backwards and forwards. So I'll move my camera out of the way in case I knock it over. Well, it moves. I think I might have to do a bit of a tweak up on the fuel. It seems to like choke, and these carbs always, because it's stone cold this morning, it's only about 3 degrees, but sometimes I need a little pump on the pedal to get some fuel into them. Anyway, we'll sort that out, but I'm a bit concerned what that rattly noise is. Could be a valve, it could be a tappet. It goes away when it's going. I thought at first it was the shroud hitting the fan. And yes, it has got oil in it. I'm going to leave it as it is. I'll tell you for the reason why. The owner obviously doesn't give a shit about this car because it's going to be parked up for another 4 years. So, yeah, I'm not going to bother with it much more. My job was to get it done, get it running, sort out the clutch. Now, I don't know why it lost fluid, but it's still retaining clutch pressure. And, oh, let me check the fluid, see if it comes back. No. So where does it go? I don't know. Anyway, we'll work that out later, but let's keep it running and we'll come back later. Well, it's been running for about half an hour now. The rattly type thing noise has gone. I would like to do the tappets, except I haven't got a gasket for the rocker box. It's not the sort of thing to keep. In fact, this is the only petrol 4-cylinder I know around here for like a 90. Well, no doubt it'll be back in another 4 years, so we'll fix it then. But I'm listening to the tailpipe when it's idling, and it could be the spark plug gaps are not quite right. I don't know. It's got that sort of little bit of a misfire, but you know. But the job criteria was to get it going, and at least the clutch is working and it's not stuck on the flywheel, which is usually the case with cars that's been left for a long time in a damp climate. So watch that. Right. Breakfast.